Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new English lesson. We are in Unit 5, Week 2. Please get your reading and writing workshop book ready and let's open page 136, Words to Know. Let's start with first word, another.
Another. Will another cloud cover the sun?
One more time.
Another. Will another cloud cover the sun?
Okay. Then we have second word, climb. Let's listen.
Climb. That cat can climb a tree quickly.
One more time.
Climb. That cat can climb a tree quickly.
Okay. Next word, we have full.
Full. There is a full moon out tonight.
One more time.
Full. There is a full moon out tonight.
All right. Let's go for the next word. Great.
Great. It is a great day for a picnic.
One more time.
Great. It is a great day for a picnic.
And the next word we have poor.
Poor. My poor dog got wet in the rain.
One more time.
Poor. My poor dog got wet in the rain.
And then we have through.
Through. Can you see the man through the fog?
One more time.
Through. Can you see the man through the fog?
Then we have leap.
Leaped. The frog leaped into the lake. Leaped. If you leaped, you made a big jump.
So the meaning of the word leap means big jump.
Leaped. If you leaped, you made a big jump.
And we see the frog leaped into the lake. Last word. Stretched.
Stretched. The rainbow stretched out across the sky.
Stretched. When someone has stretched, he or she has extended a body part.
So as we see the boy, stretch his arms, so just open his arms widely, so extend his body parts.
Stretched. When someone has stretched, he or she has extended a body part.
All right. So let's read them all together. Another. Will another cloud cover the sun? Climb. The cat can climb a tree quickly. Full. There is a full moon out tonight. Great. It's a great day for picnic. Poor. My poor dog got wet in the rain. Through. Can you see the man through the fog? Leaped. The frog leaped into the lake. Stretched. The rainbow stretched out across the sky. So as we heard the meaning of the words and we see examples of the words in the sentence, it's your turn to say the word and put it in a sentence on your own. Okay, let's turn the page and go to page 138. Listen to our phonics for this week. Let's start.
ER, IR, UR, OR. The letters ER, IR, UR, and OR can make the sounds you hear in the middle of term, bird, curl, and worm.
All right, so these are the letters, the phonics that we're going to have for this week. So the letters are ER, IR, UR, and OR. Can make the sounds you hear in the middle of term, bird, curl, and worm. So let's read more words that has the phonics we have up there.
Girl, dirt, hurt, her, worked, third, turns, verb, first, shirt, word, nurse.
Yes, we see all the letters that it has. The phonics we see ER, IR, or R, and UR sounds like girl, dirt, hurt, her, worked, third, turns, verb, first, shirt, word, and nurse. And as you see, the phonics, they always have underlined in blue. So these are the letter that we use today. Let's read more examples.
Did that burst of thunder wake Herb? Herb woke up first and turned over.
Okay, so these are the words that we're gonna find it in our selection when we read next. So let's listen to it.
Your turn. Look for these words with ER, IR, UR, and OR in a bird named Fern. Bird, fern, world, herself, her, surprised, better, turned, first.
All right, so let's read our story. Turn the page and let's go for page 140.
Genre, fantasy. Essential question. What can you see in the sky? Read how a bird named Fern learns about clouds.
All right, so remember, this topic for this lesson or for this week, we're talking about what can you see in the sky. We're going to read about a bird named Fern that learns about clouds. So it's a fantasy, so we know it's a made-up story. Often the characters, as we see, are animals, and they usually act and talk like real people. And also, like other fiction stories, the fantasies have a beginning, a middle, and end. So let's start.
A bird named Fern.
All right, turn the page.
Little Fern was always full of questions. She wanted to know about everything in the world.
Okay, next.
One day, Fern saw something up in the sky. What is that big white boat doing in the sky? She asked herself. I want to find out.
So what does Fern think that she sees in the sky? That she was surprised and wonder. It's a boat. So she asked herself, what is boat doing in the sky? She said, let's find out. Okay, next page.
It would be great to ride on that big white boat, Fern said. So she stretched her wings and took off. Fern's wings helped her climb up, up, up. But when she got close to the boat, she was surprised. The boat looked like a fluffy bed.
So first, she thought that she saw the cloud looked like a boat, and she decided to go and ride the boat. But after that, when she stretched her wings and fly went up, up, she found that the cloud or the boat looked like a fluffy bed. Next page.
Fern was sleepy and wanted to rest. So she leaped on the bed, but she fell right through it.
Remember the word leap? Let's have a big jump. Okay.
I see another bed, said Fern. I will try to land on that one. But the same thing happened again. I'd better go home, cried Fern. Maybe Mom and Dad can explain this.
So as she thought she saw a bed and she had a big leap on the bed so she can rest, but she actually fell right through it and then through another bed and another bed. So she thought that this is something she needs someone to help to understand. She decided to go and ask her parent.
So Fern began to fly home. As she did, the beds turned dark gray. Then it started to rain. Poor Fern was soaked when she got home. Where were you? Asked Mom and Dad. Fern told them all about her trip. First, we will dry you off, said Mom. Then we will teach you about clouds, added Dad. And that is what they did.
So, as we see here, it started to rain, and the cloud that was fluffy and white that she saw at one time as a boat, the next time was a bed, it changed and became gray. So she went to her parents and they told her, you need to dry out now, and then we're going to explain more about the cloud. All right, let's see, make connection.
Make connections. What did the clouds look like to Fern?
So as we say, first it looked like a boat, and she decided to ride it. And when she get closer, she found it looks like a bed. She decided to sleep on it, but then she found that actually she went through to the next cloud. Yeah, let's see what's next. Comprehension, cause and effect. Let's read again.
Cause and effect. A cause is what makes something happen in a story. An effect is the event that happens. To figure out cause and effect, ask yourself, what happened? Why did it happen? Find text evidence. Find a cause and its effect in the story. It would be great to ride on that big white boat, Fern said. So she stretched her wings and took off.
So as we see, cause and effect, cause is what makes something happen in a story, and the effect is the event that happens. So for example, if we look at page 151, we have the bubble where it says cause, and we have the box with the effect. So if we go, Fern wanted to ride on the big white boat. That's the first thing when she saw in the sky. So what did she do? She stretched her wings and took off. The next time, the boat looked like a fluffy bed up close. So she decided, first she was surprised. And then when it started to rain, Fern get soaked. So as we see, this is a cause. It's what makes something happen. And then this is the effect, what's the events that happen because of that cause. So Fern wanted to ride on the big white boat. Fern stretched her wings and took off. When the boat looked like a fluffy bed, Fern was surprised that how come it changed. And then again, it started to rain, so Fern got wet. Okay, so this is for the cause and effect comprehension for this week. And we learn about Fern, a bird that named Fern. We know that it's a fantasy, and the essential question, what can you see in the sky? So as we see, for example, Fern saw clouds, and the clouds even shape different things. So first she thought it's a boat, then she thought it's a bed. And then when it was dark, started to rain and became gray dark. All right, that's it for today, first graders. Thank you. Bye-bye.